Hi guys, so mag-quick live withdrawal po tayo dito sa Spy Optical. So, okay. Yan, so wait na lang natin na mag-success, no? So yan guys, ito po yung mga products nila. 200 pesos lang po yung minimum invest, 50 pesos po ang daily income yan. Yung 400, 104 pesos ang daily income. 800, 260 ang daily income, 1,600, 448 ang daily income, 3,600, 1,044 ang daily income. So, ayan guys, no, hanggang sa 3/6 lang tayo, no. Ayan na nga guys, pumasok na yung ating winidraw, wala pong kaltas. You have received 120 pesos of Gcash lang. So, paying na paying po talaga to si Spy Optical, no? Ayan, success na po. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. And yan po, paying na paying po si Spy Optical, si Robot Lab, paying po si Persolar, si Kumaw, si sino pa ba yung paying? Si Christmas, ayan, paying pa po yan. Christmas investment, si Semantic, paying pa po.